Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread mix. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need cornmeal, all-purpose flour, and some leavening agents. Baking powder and baking soda are crucial for that perfect rise, along with a pinch of salt. For a touch of sweetness, you can also include a bit of sugar. These foundational elements are key to a delicious, homemade cornbread. Now, let's talk about the right proportions for your mix. You'll want to combine 2 cups of cornmeal with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. For leavening, add 2 tablespoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. If you prefer a sweeter cornbread, include up to 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk everything together thoroughly. Proper storage is essential to keep your cornbread mix fresh. Transfer your thoroughly mixed dry ingredients into an airtight container. A glass jar with a tight-fitting lid or a sealed plastic container works wonderfully. Store it in a cool, dry place, like your pantry, away from any direct sunlight. When stored correctly, your homemade mix can last for several months, ready for baking anytime. When you're ready to bake, it's incredibly simple. For a standard batch, combine 1 cup of your homemade mix with 1 large egg and 1 cup of milk. For extra richness, stir in 2 tablespoons of melted butter or a neutral oil. Pour the batter into a greased 8-inch cast iron skillet or a similar baking dish. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.